我介紹一下吧。
我係 Lucas，9歲啊。
Hello, I'm Thomas. I'm 43 years old and I'm from Macau.
什麼契機讓你學習姓氏？
我一過到嚟之前，我覺得好有興趣。
My son Lucas, he liked the Kung Fu, all the Chinese culture, and he do this since he is 6 years old already. And he joined with his friend, and he liked to do this all the time.
今天來到沙灣古鎮，有什麼感受？
開心嘅。
Come here today to support my son and his team for Kung Fu, and it's very exciting to be here, and the place is very nice.
Hello， 大家好，咁我梁錦生啦，嚟自澳門鴻威文娛體育會啊。
教中國人和外國人有什麼不同？
佢哋對呢樣嘢咧係好濃厚嘅興趣嘅，所以變到咧其實語言咧其實個障礙唔係好大嘅啫，最主要係佢哋有咁樣嘅興趣去玩咯。
通過形式希望傳達什麼中國精神？
咁啊，今次係第一次嚟沙灣，帶住班小朋友咧過嚟呢度參加比賽。其實係我哋一直都係好想做嘅嘢啦。有一個咁嘅機會咧，可以能夠俾我哋融入大灣區裏邊咧，係好開心嘅一件事啦。
廣東盛事耶！
廣東盛事耶！